Hey everyone, Ryan from Ebike Escape, and I'm joined today with Toby from Bimodal, and he's going to show us how you can turn any bike into an electric bike. So Toby's going to walk us through their new offering.
Awesome. Yeah, so this is the Bimotal Elevate here, and it's a patent-pending drive unit that mounts your bike's disc brakes. The unit is removable. You can put it on and off, and right now it's throttle-based. We're developing a pedal assist system. It's got a freewheel, as you can see, so it's very little drag added to the bike. And the beauty is you can take it on and off in about 10 seconds here, and you've got the drive unit. Yeah, so it's a 52 volt system. Our battery capacity is 250 watt hours, so it's a bit on the small side, but that's intentional. So it's in the bottle form factor. If you want to go for a longer ride, you can bring an extra battery. And yeah, 750 watts peak power. 50 newton meters continuous, up to 100 newton meters peak. Lots of gear reduction in our system. We actually have a complete gearbox inside this drive unit here. We've got electronics under this cover here with ANT, Bluetooth. We'll have remote software updates, all of that. So a lot of technology going into this product, and super excited to get it out in the world.
Awesome. All right, so next we are going to take one of these bikes with the motor attached on a test ride, and we'll give you our thoughts on the performance. So thanks, Toby, and let's check it out.
Awesome.
All right, we're on one of the bimodal test bikes here. We're gonna got a little hill ahead of us. We're gonna test this system out and see how it works, see how it does getting up a hill on a mountain bike. So it's going to be only throttle assist right now. Like they said, they're looking to add pedal and torque. So let's see what it is. Here's a little bit of the incline. Let's give it some power. Yeah, it takes right over and goes over, and this is it's pretty much going. It's pulling us right up. Look at this. Here we go. And give it a little bit of assist, get us up quicker. All right. Definitely make those climbs quite a bit easier, especially out on the trails. Here we go. Let's go all the way to the top. There you go. Yeah, this is working really good. Get you all the way up here, and we just ease off throttle, and that's it. Now it's back to being a mountain bike again. Now we're on our way back down the hill. So after riding up, you can definitely tell they have it tuned in a very linear fashion, so it doesn't give you all the power at once. It is a little weird having it be throttle only, but I mean, even here downhill, you can see it. I mean, it takes off and goes really nicely. It's definitely plus. No matter where you're at, you can feel it kick in and go.